Good morning, all. CamelbackTrading.org coming to you this Tuesday morning, January 28th. We're looking at Window Trader's market profile of the ES and NQ. So remember, yesterday ES just came into balance, even with that wide gap. Okay? Market went from bull to balance. If we take out yesterday's low, we go down. But right now, we're trading above yesterday's high inside that big gap. Still would only be balanced for ES. Okay? And Q, on the other hand, broke out of a 3-day balance to the downside. So for them to come back into balance, they need to take out yesterday's high. Overnight, they barely did that, but now we're back down. We have wide overnight point of controls, 19 in ES, 20 in NQ right now. The good news for now, again, there's 75 minutes to go prior to the opening, is we're trading above value, right? So just like value was down all day yesterday, the bulls would love to see if they can keep it up today. Righty, again, I would have probably called them down after yesterday, taking out that five-day balance. They're inside of yesterday's range. They did not have a gap or a trend day. So basically all they have is the afternoon rally high they had in G period. So we'll see how they react. But they're down right now in the daily. So ES is the only one that's still in balance. NQ and Righty are down. Again, these gaps will not get filled without either a very large gap up or a strong trend day up. So it's not going to happen. You're not going to methodically fill it. You need either a large gap or a strong trend day. You have the Fed tomorrow, okay? You have big tech earnings tomorrow night. So we'll see how much this market wants to do. Does it want to just digest the move that it had yesterday? These are the things we have to figure out. As far as a game plan, again, depending if you open near the overnight high, especially inside of these gaps, it's a decent risk-reward short. I would use just a small point total above it to get out. If they do get the overnight high and then pull back, if ES is gapping higher, it's not a bad risk-reward long against the gap fill, and then below the wide POC, I would be out. Again, these are early plays. If in the next 75 minutes we're opening below yesterday's high, then you'll see how you react if we get down to around the overnight low, which is right around value high. See if they front run it the first time. Remember, we did not get either overnight in ES or NQ yesterday. And again, we have wide overnight ranges in both of them. In NQ's case, again, can you front run the overnight low against the 10 wide POC? Sure you can. Below that 10 wide POC, you're out. And as far as a short, that's a decent risk reward against that because the bears, again, ES bears wouldn't defend yesterday's high as much as NQ because NQ is down. So that's a decent risk reward short there out above the overnight high. All early plays this morning. And then chart-wise, I'm just going to show you the daily in the S&P. Right? We talk about this a lot. Markets don't go bull-bear. So a lot of people say, well, how can you not call that down? We one time framed up for 8 days. All we did yesterday, even with a gap of that magnitude, is what? Put the daily back into balance. That's all. Now, if we take out to yesterday's low, then we would go from bull to balance to bear. If we go take out yesterday's high, we're bull, balance, still balance. Hope that helps. Thank you so much for liking and subscribing to this channel. Good luck trading today. And we'll recap at 4 p.m.